Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how Clonener can transform your business, no matter your industry. From healthcare to e-commerce, education, and retail, Clonener adapts to your needs, streamlining processes and boosting productivity. Ready to start? Let's go! So we remember that Clonener automates deal duplication in HubSpot, allowing you to effortlessly copy a deal, complete with all its associated details, products, pricing, and contacts, without the hassle of manual input. Whether you're in e-commerce, healthcare, education, or retail, Clonener brings powerful solutions tailored to your sector, helping you save time, reduce errors, and improve overall efficiency. In e-commerce, where deals often revolve around specific products or services, Clonener helps you quickly duplicate sales deals for repeat customers, ensuring you never miss important details while keeping everything accurate. In healthcare, Clonener makes it easy to replicate deals related to patient services, medical supplies, or ongoing treatment plans, helping medical teams focus on patient care rather than spending valuable time duplicating administrative tasks. For education institutions, Clonener helps administrators clone deals for student enrollment, course offerings, and educational materials, ensuring consistency and reducing errors when setting up similar student records or course agreements. In retail, Clonener simplifies deal duplication for promotional offers, product sales, or discount campaigns. You can clone deals for new customers or similar products quickly, ensuring you're always prepared for the next opportunity without missing any details. What's more, Clonener has all the necessary flexibility to customize your clone deals, whether that means selecting specific associations, modifying prices, or adding new notes. Noted deals are the same, and Clonener lets you make those tweaks effortlessly. Don't waste time manually duplicating deals. Experience the efficiency of automated deal cloning with Clonener. Try it now and take your HubSpot experience to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. We're always ready to help.